2,000 hours. Routine maintenance of air compressors need to replace the oil-gas separator. It requires to open the air compressor, oil-gas barrel, and the tools needed here. Before maintenance, please shut down the power and check the pressure of the tank, leave it empty, and then continue. There is a drain valve that can be opened from underneath the filter. Make sure the empty pressure of the tank before you start. First, remove this thick air hose. There's a nut here. This end, release it too. Let's go. Use a wrench to hold the bottom one up when removing or when tightening it. Once the two nuts are removed, tap the tube to remove it. And then these two tubes come off on this side. One nut here. These two places cannot to remove. Releasing. Once the cap is loose, you can knock it off. Take these two off. And here are a circle of screws. Turn it down diagonal. It's best to be diagonal when disassembling and also to be in focus when disassembling tightly. After removing this screw, it may be a bit tight. You can use a wrench to knock it loose and then lift the whole thing up. Then when the oil separator core is removed here, it may be quite tight, so you can use a screwdriver to pry it on both sides. Then remove the oil separator core. There will be some residual paper pads after removing it, so you can use a razor blade to clean it up a little bit to make sure the interface is smooth. This cover is also the top if there is an adhesive pad before installation with a razor blade to clean to ensure that the contact surface is flat. Then install the new oil separator core and put it right in. Installation of the cover. Before aligning the holes, take the thick tube with a few teeth first, or else it may not be aligned when it is tightened later. This tube does not need to be screwed too much first to give it a hold.